girl Kay, and I'm back with another video. And as you guys know, nursing is my thing, but I do it all. DIYs, shopping hauls, you name it, I pretty much do it. Fitness, health. So if you like all those things, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you won't miss another video. But today we're going to be doing a care package and a little tips and tricks on making a care package. This just made my heart so happy. All the goodies, all the snacks, all the business stuff for custom papers. Just forget healthy, okay? Deployment, you deserve to eat whatever you want. So that's what I did. Got some Country Time lemonade because they drink a lot of water. And I thought I'll spice it up, you know? Add a little flavor to it. Candy galore to share. Snacks. Yes. Never can go wrong with some rice. Never can go wrong with the mac and cheese. Tell me y'all didn't used to eat that y'all college days. I got his favorite. More snacks, chips, beef jerky. I'm so excited. It's gonna come out so nice. To be honest, I already sent one box earlier this week, which was just basic things he needed that wasn't food. Like he needed a couple extra like toiletries, stuff like that. I already sent that over and I did it as a test run to make sure I was doing everything right. I filled out the custom forms right. So now I'm sending him all the good stuff and I'm gonna decorate this box. The other box, I didn't decorate, but this box I'm gonna decorate, make it very special, add a little note in there and send him some of his favorite snacks. I found as much non-perishable items as I could and hopefully this helps. Here are the boxes they give you. And let's be honest, it's not that deep. I'm probably gonna have to send 2 boxes. If you go to the United States Post Office, just ask for a military kit or you can order it online and they send it to your house. And when you order it online, it comes like this. And it comes with 6 boxes with different sizes. It comes with the customs form here and tape. So that is really helpful. And when I mailed the first box, it was about $20. And I'm assuming it's gonna be the same for this box. The one good thing about mailing APO, it's a flat rate. For decorating the box, I'm not going with any particular theme because it's a kind of random box, but there are plenty of like cute themes for different holidays and stuff. Some construction paper here, different colors. And I got some duct tape. And honestly, I just used stuff I already had around the house. You just measure this, take it and put it like this. And you just cut off whatever is not necessary. If you're gonna write on these, you wanna write before you tape it down because it can be bumpy and hard to write. I haven't decided what I'm going to write yet, but I'm gonna write a little something. All right, so I have written already on my papers what I'm gonna write. I wrote something kind of cheesy because why not? Okay, box decor is complete. Always on my mind, always in my heart. I should have said forever in my heart. Anyway. So yeah, really cheesy, I know. And then some people decorate like the bottom part so it can say something or whatever, but I'm not gonna do that. And I'm also gonna add pictures here because they love physical pictures. Even though, you know, we have phones nowadays, you could just send them pictures. It's always good to have, you know, something tangible. So I'm gonna just tape it lightly on here so he can just pull it off and keep that. And let me know if you can get boxes bigger than this, because the tough part is going to be trying to pack all the stuff in here. I don't know what. I'm going to start with the Pringles and kind of think I'm going to, I don't know. There we go. And we're going to start with the things he needs. And I am also going to put this in a plastic bag so it doesn't like, in case it bursts or something like that. All right, I have this in a little Ziploc bag. These are really great to send over because they drink so much water and they get tired of plain water. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. Of course, these gotta go out the box. This is really hard, guys. I'm trying to split the boxes so they get there at different times, but he also have a little bit of every snack. Because when I send the next box, I want him to have some variety. Throwing some popcorn in there. You never can go wrong with popcorn, right? All right, box is all packed. All I gotta do is add my letter and my pictures. And let me show you guys how to do this custom form. It's super easy. All you do is fill out the gray information. So here you put your information. Here you put their information, the APO address. In a description, you don't have to do detailed description. For instance, I can just do snacks. Quantity, I can just estimate. I don't really know how much I put in there. I'll say about 20, and you say about how much it weighs, maybe like 5 pounds, you know, and then the value of it. And then you put your total here, and that is it. The post office fill all this stuff out for you. They put it in their system, and you don't even have to put a label on the box. They print it off based on this and put the label on there for you. And it's about $20, and I will verify that when I send this package. But I think it's definitely a standard. As long as you use their box, they don't check the weight.